Hey guys, it's Sam here from ALG Performance, and today I'm going to show you how to make your 5-cylinder Volvo V40 diesel sound a little bit like a T5. We'll have a good before and after, so here's a before snippet of the standard exhaust. We're going to improve on that by swapping in a 3-inch Section 18 from KMS Motorsport, available from us at ALG. So this was taken off our demo car, but still looks great after 1 year of use. We're also taking the time to change the diffuser to an R-Design one, easy as you just swap it over on the original bumper. That's it, car's now back on the floor, so let's hear the difference. If you're interested in grabbing one for your V40, we do these for the range. Just head over to algperformance.co.uk for more information.